Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will unbox the Filofax Piazza in the pocket size that I bought secondhand online. It should be the purple or lavender color. I'm not sure how the color is described. It looked like about that color. So here we go. Carefully wrapped. At least let's hope so. So yeah, I bought this online and I'm planning to just track my online passwords and stuff in it. So let's take a look. A nice card, so that's cute. Vogue. Lots of tissue paper. And here we go. Wow, this is a really good color. It's yeah, a type of lavender, light purple. I think it's made of genuine leather. Pocket Piazza Deluxe smooth leather. It's quite a good condition. I think it's been barely used, just some minor scuffs on it, which is great. And it comes with a couple of dividers and actually some content from the previous owner, so I'll take this out and I'll insert my own pages. I've made one divider so far. Let's see how this opens. So this is my first like small Filofax. The rings look good. It's actually quite tiny. I feel the rings are a bit thinner than on the personal and larger sizes. And let's put in some paper. So this is regular lined paper that I trimmed and some colored paper which I used to create a divider. So this fits quite well. So this paper is from one of those optical illusion books. I just really like the funky prints. So I cut this to size and then laminated it. And there's the secretarial flap here in the front and some pockets, like card slots. They look like they might be too small for bank cards, I'm not sure. And yeah, this is not a pocket, but this is a zippered pocket. I guess you're not supposed to keep too much in here. So yeah, it looks really good. Popper stud on the front. Feels very nice, very smooth, and it's a little bit padded, the cover. So it feels a bit puffy, so it's quite good. And there's one pen loop here, which is attached to the back cover. So yeah, this is really nice overall. Good quality, good condition, and the perfect size for me to keep, passwords and other sort of admin things. Thanks for watching.